Using Finish Quantum, you have done nearly all that is needed for a perfect cleaning result. Should this, however, not lead to a satisfactory result, here are some tips. A poor washing result can have many causes. For example, bad placement, overloading, and thus items which are unfavourably placed on top of one another. The water which rotates in the inside of the machine and which works on the load with pressure must be able to reach all surfaces directly. Dishes should not touch. This helps the water flow and avoids scratch damage. If that isn't the case because, for example, a bowl is covering another bowl, this causes bad results. Make sure you place everything in a way so that water can reach all surfaces. Make sure that the spray arm can move freely. If it is blocked, this can result in an unsatisfactory cleaning effect because the water cannot reach all surfaces inside the machine. Long pieces of cutlery will be perfectly cleaned when lying in the upper rack. You don't need to rinse dishes under running water beforehand, but larger food remains can cause a problem. They can block the filter, which prevents the water to circulate in the machine. Simply clean the filter regularly under running water. Scrape or wipe leftovers from plates and bowls before putting them into your dishwasher. Depending on where you live, the water may be very hard, which can lead to limescale filming on the surfaces. In this case, you must use dishwasher salt in every wash to help soften the water, regardless of which dishwasher product you use. In case your tableware has spots at the end of the wash and dishes do not dry, increase the dosage of rinse aid or start using rinse aid. Control the dosage of the rinse aid, which is released in every wash if needed. If your cutlery or dishes have streaks, you have overdosed the rinse aid. Simply reduce the dosage. Stainless steel items such as cutlery can rust. The reason for this may be intensive contact with acidic or salty food products such as seafood, mustard or ketchup. If these remain on the metal for too long, they can cause corrosion. Avoid letting such substances remain on items for a long time before running the machine. You can prevent glass corrosion and the fading of decorations if you use a high-quality cleaning system such as Finish from the start. To avoid this problem, there is also the glass and decoration protector from Finish. Simply click and allow it to work cycle after cycle. Discolorations on plastic are often caused by food remains such as ketchup or curry in the wash solution. Scrape or wipe these food remains off if plastic items are to be washed in the machine too. In case you confuse the chambers and fill, for example, rinse aid in the salt chamber, this could be a real problem. But don't panic. Don't turn your machine on. Simply contact your manufacturer's nearest customer service advisor, who will help you.